Hi guys, John here with Sandblastingmachines.com with another item off the shelf. Today I want to talk to you about a replacement web suspension for the Apollo 20 and the Apollo 60 breathing air respirators. This web suspension is designed to replace worn out or broken web suspensions in your existing respirator. Simply unclip your broken or worn out web suspension and clip in a new one utilizing the yellow and white tabs. This Clemco web suspension is fully adjustable for head sizes 6.5 to 8 and can be done simply by adjusting the band within the suspension. The Clemco Apollo 20 and Apollo 60 replacement web suspension can be found on sandblastingmachines.com simply by searching for part number 10532 in the search bar. And as always, I'm John, and thanks for watching.